as part of this visual programming assignment. Actually, what we will need first the Visual Studio. So in this portion we will start from for this assignment we will what we will be doing later to create a CGPA calculator. First we will go for the Visual Studio software, which will be the software to compile this program. So we will first download this software and then we will go for the assignment. In order to download this, we will go you can go for the Google, then visualstudio.com. when we will search this, these are the search results, then we will find the IDE and code editor. So here first link so here we will download Visual Studio. So here you go Visual Studio, we will not use this code, we will go and we will use this community. This is free version actually, these are the page. So for the time we can go here and here we will go, and this is, you see, this is downloading the setup. So we will double click this and now it will actually what it will do, it will take us to the installation. We will continue and it is downloaded and installed, but it is just its installer. Now it will give us this option. Okay, I already choose this Visual Studio. So this one I will enterprise and professional. Now I will go for this Visual Studio community, and you see I show you what I have chosen. This page, it will be shown to you. You just need to choose this .NET desktop development. This page will, when you will run this setup, then it will show you here. You need to choose this, select this. When you select this and you go modify, okay, it will be installed here. It will come like this, it will start. Okay, second thing also I want to show you is I want to show you here that I chose the option. Here you will have option, see the two option, install while downloading and download all and then install. So for poor connection, slow connection, download and then install. So we will modify this. You need to choose this, so that otherwise there can be a problem due to internet. So modify, you will install. Here I have modified because I was working already on this. Now it will start downloading. First it will download this 1.88 GB. My internet is working good, 4 MB per second. So it will first download it and then we will install it. Once it is downloaded, then it will start installing this. So depending upon the internet speed, it will download this Visual Studio community version. So depending upon your internet speed, you need to download this. And regarding the assignment, maybe it will take more time on your PC with the slow speed like 1 MB or something like that, or also there can be some issue. So but we know we have time, extended dates, so you can do this. Regarding this is the notes for the assignment, the people who will be doing this assignment. Otherwise this is all Visual Studio, how we do the install and then how we will use it. This Visual Studio installer. Now we will wait for download of this software, and then we will further see that how we will configure it and then how to run a program that for calculating a CGPA. Studio, you see now here it is the option of the launch. First it has downloaded and then it is installed the software. So now from here we can launch this software minus Visual Studio. Now it is installed and it will launch now. Not now. We don't have an account, dark theme or blue or whatever. So we will go for blue or something. So start Visual Studio. Now it will start it for the first time use. This one now here is the Visual Studio 2022 cloner repository. This is for online running the code from GitHub or Azure DevOps, or open a project or solution, open a local folder, create a new project. So अब ये जो है software, in this software we will do our assignment. Now we will go for create a new project. So here clone apps, console app. Now looking at our assignment, we need to make a console app. So we will do this console app, Sharp and Linux, Mac OS, Windows console. So this we will go for this, and then next. Alright, with that this is also VP. This is C#, CAH. You can say. So we will go with this project name. This project name we can say CGPA, and then next. This is the location for the project. User sniper source repository. Next, framework. Create. Now it will create the project. This is the screen where we